Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. Now keep in mind, this is currently available outside of US. However, in some cases, you will be able to pay with cash, within the US as well. So obviously, first of all, you want to go and you want to basically go into Uber Eats. By the way, this is on WikiHow. I don't have a Uber Eats app, so I'll need to show you this way. So go to the Uber Eats, obviously go and select a dish that you want to order. Now this is one example of a dish. And then what you want to do is, as you can see, you want to go and click obviously what you want, add food to your order, right? And then you will need to view the cart. So once you click view cart, here you'll actually be able to change from PayPal or from your credit card to your cash right here. If you can't see cash, that means that this restaurant or maybe this payment method is not yet available within your country or wherever you are. But basically cash should be available as an option. If cash is not an option for a payment when ordering from your current address, the option will not appear, right? So this depends on your current location. Again, it really depends on your location, unfortunately, but then you can go here and place the order delivery, and once they order, you will be able to go and pay with cash. Now, using PayPal, this is the second method. You can go to Uber Eats again, go to the account wallet, and then here you can add a payment method along with cash if it's available, right? And you can add PayPal, Venmo, gift card, credit or debit card, or any other payment gateway. So this is basically how you can add Uber Cash on Uber Eats. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.